Disha Salian's death case that has now reached the Supreme Court, where a PIL has been filed by advocate Vineet Dhanda. The PIL also states that the probe should be transferred to the CBI. Meanwhile, in a massive impact of Republic TV investigation, days after Republic raised questions over premature closing of Disha Salian death case, the Mumbai police has now released a statement and sought public help in the case. 58 days after the death, Mumbai police is now asking anyone if they have more information regarding the case. Question being, what was the Mumbai police doing for nearly 2 months? We are now playing out the first reaction that is coming in from advocate Vineet Dhanda. Listen in.
Public interest litigation in Honorable Supreme Court of India in Disha Salian's suspicious death case. I have requested the Honorable Supreme Court to summon a detailed investigation report in Sushant Singh's case and primarily in Disha Salian's suspicious death case, as the case has been hushed off by Bombay police. They are recklessly dealing with both the suspicious death case. And in my other prayers, I have also requested the Honorable Supreme Court of India to ensure that the protection is given to Bihar police who are investigating the matter of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The present case of Disha Salian ji, she died in a suspicious death on 8th and 9th June intervening night. No proper investigation was done into that, and later on her case file has been deleted. This is all suspicious, and that is why I have gone to Honorable Supreme Court of India. I expect that there will be justice done to this late Disha Salian ji also, and the anxiety and people's concern shall be redressed in the present issue. Thanks.
I want to bring in my colleague Nalini, an legal correspondent who's tracking every single detail, because Nalini, so far of all that we have put out when it comes to the Republic investigation and also what the family has claimed, all signaling towards a possible link between the death of Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput. Hence, there is a growing demand that the Disha Salian case must also be probed and all the details must be put together. Now, as far as the petitioner citing Republic investigation is concerned, what more are you picking up?
Well, absolutely, Suesha, and this is what Republic TV has been saying since the very beginning, that there's an undeniable link between both the deaths, and which is why it is first important to investigate Disha's murder or death in that matter to determine exactly what went down with Sushant Singh Rajput. So finally, a petition has now been filed before the top court asking for a similar prayer. What the petitioner, that is Advocate Vineet Dhanda, has asked for the Supreme Court is for a detailed investigative report to be filed by the Mumbai police on exactly what has gone down in the Disha case. A very serious concern that has been raised by the petitioner is the fact that the Mumbai police has claimed that the files on Disha's death have been deleted from their records, which essentially points out that there might be some matter to look at when it comes to the entire investigation that was done by the Mumbai police as to whether or not there was a free and fair probe that was conducted in the case or not, or whether the Mumbai police was actually trying to do away with the case and brush it under the carpet. Because remember, Suyesha, the lawyer for Sushant Singh's family, today before the Supreme Court has raised a very, very serious allegation when he's gone and said that the Mumbai police might be involved in actually destroying the evidence when it comes to Sushant's case, which is why they're trying to quarantine the Bihar police officials who've gone to Mumbai and not allowing them to continue with the investigation. It is also for this reason that we've seen not only the Supreme Court, but also the centre stepping in into this entire matter, where we have the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, telling the Supreme Court that on principle the centre has accepted the Bihar government's request to transfer this entire probe to the CBI, and half the parties are asking for a one state police to investigate the case. Half of the others are asking for another state police to investigate the case. So it is in everybody's best interest that the central government, through a central agency, investigates this matter and gets down to the bottom of it. So 3 days' time has been given to the Mumbai police to give details of Sushant Singh's death on record before the Supreme Court. Once this PIL that has been filed in Disha's case comes up for hearing as well, we can probably expect a similar order coming in from the Supreme Court for the Mumbai police in Disha's case as well. But we'll have to wait and see exactly when that happens. As for Riya Chakrabarty's transfer petition, it's listed next week before the same bench, before which all the details of the investigation that the Mumbai police has conducted will be submitted before the Supreme Court. But at the same time, we need to remember that till now it's been almost 50 days, over 50 days, since Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his residence in Mumbai, and not even an FIR has been filed by the Mumbai police in this entire matter so far.